Hi everyone, it's Gagajoy, Gagajoy's Cooking, and I'm glad you're with me today. I'm making something for breakfast in the morning. We're making peach French toast, and we put it in the oven tonight, then you get up in the morning and put it in a 350 degree oven, and you got breakfast. So, first of all, you put the syrup is 1 stick of butter, 2 tablespoons of water, that's little, and a cup of brown sugar. Just melt that on the stove and let it cook. You need 8 slices of French bread. I just cooked the French bread. You could use any bread. I just happened to pick up a loaf of French bread. And since it's French toast, I guess that makes sense. The sugar and the water and the butter just makes the syrup to go over it or under it with the eggs. My kids love French toast. 2, 4, 7, 8. I'll cook one extra because you never have enough. Well, the sugar, brown sugar, the butter have been cooking on the stove. Now, just put that in the bottom of your pan. Actually, I let this cook about 6 minutes. It started boiling real good. You could tell that's just syrupy. On top of those, on that I'm going to put peaches. What could be better than peaches this time of year? Let's put them in there. I did drain the peaches. I think they have such a, well, after you have them in the summertime, it is a big change in the wintertime for the peaches. Okay. Now, I'm just going to arrange French toast over them, like that. Maybe I could put an extra one in there. Let's try that. Guess I could put this here. Okay, now I've got a teaspoon of vanilla that I'm just going to add to the milk, and 4 eggs. Okay, and I'm going to add all that to the milk. I used whole milk today. I usually have a half and half, not half and half, but 2%, but I had whole milk today, so that's what I used. Now, when I get through with this, I'm gonna put aluminum foil on top of it, and I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator till in the morning. Then in the morning, I'll get it out and we'll cook it. It almost reminds you of bread pudding, then, but the toast will sort of be brown on top. And tomorrow in the morning when we cook it. Okay. Now, look how easy was that. Very easy, I think. So, now in the morning, I'll put a little bit of cinnamon on top of it too. So, I'll see you for breakfast in the morning. Well, good morning, everyone. Remember, this is the time to take the French toast out. just got it out. It's still hot. See how pretty it looks? We cooked it 20 minutes and took the top off and then put some cinnamon on it. Put it back in the oven and let it cook. Was it 20 minutes more? Okay, 20 minutes more. And it's ready to eat. So everybody's ready to sit down with a coffee and juice, and we're going to enjoy it. I hope you try this. I think anything that's easy for breakfast is well worth trying. The peaches just melted right into the bottom sauce. And if you love peaches, you're in hog heaven, which I do. It's hot. Oh, so good. So good. Well, it's been fun making this. I hope you try it. And hope you have a good day. Be sure to subscribe. Ring that bell. Be good. Remember the joy. I'll see you soon.